everyone and welcome to Trojan 365. I'm Hamid, your guide on this journey to mastering Microsoft Power Platform. With over 20 years in digital transformation, I've had the privilege to working across various industries from healthcare to retail, pharmaceutical. And I've been in the front lines, serving at the C-level, designing architecture and leading more than 70 successful projects. Now I'm here to help you build your Power Platform Center of Excellence from the ground up. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this channel is your one-stop shop for expert insights, practical tips, and step-by-step guides. Join me as we explore the full potential of Power Platform, empowering you to drive innovation and efficiency within your organization. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's start building your future with Power Platform together.